so that they do not get intersect, because that will be a wrong interpretation. Same, again we have the other datums, like this edge is considered as B and this is considered as C. So first I will place the other datums. So I will go here to datum feature. I will select this particular edge and then place it like this, B, and finally we will designate C. So datum feature, I will select this particular edge. मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम्स जो डेटम्स रहते हैं वो आउटर कंटूर्स को ही हम लेते हैं. नेक्स्ट, फॉर other geometrical tolerances, here we have a symbol of concentricity. Concentricity of this particular hole with respect to datum B and C. यानी ये 60 डायमीटर का होल जब मशीन होगा तो इसका और ये आउटर 70 का सर्कल और ये 25 का सर्कल, इनके सेंटर में 0.08 mm का डेविएशन हो सकता है. मीन्स इट विल बी offset in terms of center with respect to the centers of this outer 75 mm diameter edge and this particular outer edge. So for that we will go here to geometrical tolerance. We will select this particular edge. Again I will press shift so that its display gets changed. So here I will select the symbol of concentricity. So the value is 0.08. So I will take it as 0.08. Then here the first reference will be B and the second reference will be C, and then OK. So in this manner we have got this particular geometrical tolerance. Next we have again same, this concentricity of this particular 12.5 or 25 mm diameter profile with respect to datum B. So again I will go to geometrical tolerance. I will select this particular line, then I will press shift. I will click here. So concentricity, the value is 0.1 with respect to B. So यहाँ पर हमें एक ही datum mention करना sufficient है, because this is also a datum, that is datum C. Next we have this option of perpendicularity tolerances. So the first perpendicularity is related to this particular section, 0.02 with respect to A and B. यानी ये जो 20 डायमीटर का होल है इसकी सरफेस with respect to the surface of this datum A and datum B in terms of perfect 90 degree angle. यानी इस particular reference surface से इस particular reference surface का exact 90 degree angle maintain नहीं होगा, उसमें 0.02 units का deviation allowed है. So again I will go to geometrical tolerance. Before that I have to mention this dimension. So I will take this vertical, I will select the two edges, give the dimension. So this is 20. Now I will go to this geometrical tolerance. I will select the particular edge like this. Then here we can select this perpendicularity tolerance. So here I will mention 0.02, then first reference A and second reference B, and then OK. Again for example, अगर आप किसी भी geometrical tolerance symbol को click करते हैं, you can use these arrows to drag it in either side also. and now we have done with all the geometrical tolerances. Only one is left out, this one. So this is a geometrical tolerance related to position. Okay, so what is the meaning of this symbol? ये पर्टिकुलर होल जब मशीन होगा तो ये एग्जैक्ट वर्टिकल एक्सिस पर अलाइन नहीं होगा, बल्कि विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू दिस ए एंड सी, यानी ये आउटर सर्कल और ये 25 mm का सर्कल, इनके रेफरेंस में 0.12 mm डेविएट होगा, मीनिंग ये आइदर लेफ्ट और राइट में लाई करेगा बट एग्जैक्ट यहाँ पे नहीं आएगा. So for that we will go to this geometrical tolerance. Now we have to place this geometrical tolerance here, so we can select this line and then we can also use shift button. Now here I will select the option of position, so here I will take 0.12 and then reference will be A and the second reference will be C and then OK. So in this manner we can work with the geometrical tolerances on a drawing. Finally, the last portion is inclusion of surface roughness symbols. So what is surface roughness? Surface roughness का मतलब होता है that कोई भी सरफेस जब मशीन होता है तो वो परफेक्टली स्ट्रेट या स्मूथ नहीं होता, उसमें सम डेविएशंस होते हैं. दे आर रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय सरफेस फिनिश सिंबल्स. So there are three important surface finish symbols. This one indicates only the texture of the surface. This indicates that the value of the surface roughness is achieved by removal of material, and this symbol shows that the surface does not require a material removal process, but apart from that any other production method can be used to achieve the required surface finish. So to place the surface finish symbols, it's very easy. Here in annotation toolbar we have option of surface roughness symbols. Now surface roughness symbols mostly microns में इनकी value रहती है. Now the first surface symbol is related to 60 diameter. Actually this geometrical tolerance we have to mention with respect to 60. So I will delete it. So I will give the dimension of 60 here. So later on we can place the geometrical tolerance of concentricity on this dimension by using the same method as I have described before. Again, to place the symbol, I will go to surface roughness symbol. I will select this particular dimension line, or we can also select the edge. So here I will mention the value as 6.5. Here as you can see the different symbols are there. जो भी हमारे ड्राइंग में मेंशन्ड है वो हम यहाँ से सेलेक्ट कर सकते हैं. So in this manner we can place the surface roughness symbols. Next is this value, that is 16. So here again I will go to this surface roughness symbol. I will select the particular edge and then place the symbol. You can see here the symbol automatically gets aligned perpendicularly with respect to the selected reference. So in this manner you can create a simple production drawing by using various features provided in the CATIA software. So this is the end of this particular session. Hope आपको ये सेशन अच्छा लगा होगा एंड आपको इससे एक आइडिया आ गया होगा कि हाउ वी हैव टू create the production drawings with the help of CAD tools. So thank you for listening. अगर आपके कोई क्वेश्चंस हैं, इफ़ यू हैव एनी फीडबैक्स और सजेशंस, तो आप कमेंट बॉक्स में आपका रिस्पॉन्स टाइप कर सकते हैं. थैंक यू वेरी मच.